Hey there and welcome back. I'm your host, and today we're exploring Ireland's healthcare system, what it means for Americans moving there in 2025. Healthcare is a huge factor when relocating, and Ireland's got a solid setup. It's ranked 11th globally, way above the US. Here's the scope. Ireland runs a two-tier system, public and private. The public side, managed by the Health Services Executive, or HSE, is available to everyone who has lived in Ireland for more than a year or proves that they intend to stay. You are not fully covered for free unless you qualify for a medical card, which goes to low earners, welfare recipients, or folks with specific conditions like cancer. About 32% of the population has one of these cards. Getting free hospital care, GP visits, prescriptions, the works. If you don't qualify, you'll still get subsidized care. Think £80 for an ER visit or £100 for a hospital night, capped at £800 a year. If you're over 70, you might get a GP visit card for a free doctor's trip or $400 cash grant in your income moderate. Kids under 6 and pregnant women get perks too, like free checkups. But here's the catch. Public wait times can be long, especially in winter when flu hits. That's where private healthcare comes in. Many expats grab private insurance. It's around £1,200 a year. With this, you can skip the lineups, see specialists faster, and get private rooms. Companies like VHI or Leia offer plans, but it's worth it if you're used to quick US services. Quality's high either way. Modern facilities, skilled doctors, and no childhood vaccines are required to move, though rabies shots for pets vary by origin. Before you're eligible for public care, grab travel insurance for the first year. Better safe than sorry. Costs out of pocket, a GP's visit could be £50 to £70 without a card. Meds are cheap with subsidies, and dental separate unless you are a medical card holder. Expats love the system's reliability, but plan ahead. Research your eligibility on the website citizensinformation.ie and weigh private options. It's not the US insurance maze, but it's also not totally free. Find your balance. In the next episode, we've got a real family story about moving to Ireland. But before we go, let's talk logistics. SDC International Shipping makes your move smoother. We've been shipping American households to Ireland for over a decade, handling everything from customs to delivery. Check out our website for a free quote and settle in with ease. See you next time.